Hello everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. In this video, I will show you how to look at courses scheduled in a future school term. This is important as classes are assigned to a term based on the date a course ends instead of the date that it begins. So just follow these instructions and you will never miss an upcoming class because you don't know where to see it. To start, just click on the Student Portal icon on your MacU1 login page. Then in the upper left corner, select the Student Services tab, followed by Grades and Schedule on the left side. The first thing you will see right in the middle is the classes that you have scheduled for that given term. To look ahead, scroll over to the right and choose View Details. And then you will choose the appropriate term from this drop-down menu. Now for our students in the College of Adult and Graduate Studies, you are only going to look at the terms spring, summer, and fall. To look ahead, select the appropriate term and click Search, and then your computer will update to show you any classes that are scheduled at that time. If you have any questions about this process or about your schedule, don't hesitate to give us a call in the Solution Center at 877-569-3198. Thank you.